So let's say you're a mom and your child wants to do something, and you actually understand very well that your child wants to do that, but you know that now you don't have time, whatever. Yeah, it's just not possible. So now what you can do, you can become incongruent, what we call, if these three are not in alignment. Yeah, so maybe your words are becoming very strict, your tonality is becoming very strict, but your body language is actually telling your child, I so much understand what you want and I so much would love to give it to you. Then you're super incongruent, you're super not aligned, and I dare to bet your child will not follow your instructions to now come with you because there's just no time to do it. I bet, almost bet. Yeah. Out of 20 years of experience as an educationalist, over 20 years now, have seen it so many times, observing it on the playground, observing it in the kindergarten, everywhere. If on the other hand, yeah, you say, okay, I really understand, your body language is saying, I really understand that you would like to go ahead. Your tonality of the voice is saying the same thing, and your words are saying the same thing. Like you could say, I really understand that you would love to go on playing now, but you know, mommy needs to go to work. It's really, really important that we get out of house now to the preschool and I can drop you. Please be so kind and accept this now that we have to go. Yeah, I'll make sure we have some time in the evening to take the toy out again. If you're congruent and aligned, I dare to bet that your child will accept it. It will not love it, but it will accept it because it loves you. So this is the difference, you know. So always try to be aligned with what is theirs and information that you really want to give. Did you like the video? Then please give it a thumb up. You know, down here, you like it, please subscribe, click the bell button so that you get notifications whenever we are online. Don't forget, please share this video. Share it with everyone, every mother, every father, every educator that you think can benefit from all of this knowledge that we are giving. It is really a huge desire of me to help parents and teachers to work with children in such a way that the children really can manifest their full potential, because this is what I deeply know that each educator and parent wants for their child, for the children that they care, but sometimes we just don't have the proper knowledge, or we just need to shape in a different way or adjust in a different way to make it really work. And this is what I want to do with all of these videos that I'm providing. So don't forget to share it, to like it, to subscribe, and to show your appreciation for our work by also supporting us with all of that. I wish you all the best and see you soon. Have a good day.